Here in chapter 4.1 we have a group activity that's on page 65 and 66, and we're talking about function machine, and what this is discussing is a candy bar machine, a vending machine, and if you were to input the numbers and letters C4, would you expect to get out a Snickers and a Kit Kat, one or the other? I wanted to show you guys this vending machine diagram, or this vending machine picture right here. Here we have all different kinds of snacks. Here we have Cheetos up here and Cheetos down here, and Doritos. They're the same kind, so you can put in the same or put in a different input and get the same output, but you can't put in the same input and get out a different output. So here's Starburst and Starburst, Snickers and Snickers, Skittles, Kit Kat. You get the idea. When we have one input, we should expect to get out one thing from our vending machine. So if we were to put in, I don't know, I can't see the numbers and the letters necessarily, but I think that this is A1. If I put in A1, I would definitely expect to get out Brussels potato chips. If I put in B2, I would definitely expect to get out this cookie. I wouldn't expect to get out Doritos or something else from up here.